Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zoho Zia AI for ticket routing and summaries, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Zoho Zia AI for ticket routing and summaries, start by logging into your Zoho Desk account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon located in the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, look for the automation section and click on it. From the automation options, select Zia AI. You will now see options related to Zia AI features. To enable ticket routing, find the Ticket Routing tab and click on it. Toggle the switch to activate Zia's ticket routing capabilities. Next, configure the routing rules according to your team's needs. You can do this by selecting specific criteria such as priority, department, or keywords. After setting the criteria, click on Save to implement the changes. Now, to enable ticket summaries, navigate back to the Zia AI menu. Select the Ticket Summaries option from the list. Toggle the switch to enable this feature as well. Adjust the summary settings to suit your preferences. You may choose the level of detail included in the summaries. Once done, click on Save to confirm your settings. Now, you are ready to use Zoho Zia AI for enhanced ticket management. Test the functionality by creating a new ticket to see the AI in action. Monitor how well Zia routes tickets and generates summaries to optimize your workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.